Good morning students. Today we will learn about day and night concept or what causes day and night. Day and night cycle is a natural phenomena that takes place on the earth. Planets in the solar system are in constant motion and they revolve around the sun. All these planets including the earth also rotate in their respective axes. And this rotation results into day and night on the earth. The earth makes two movements. First one is rotation. What is rotation? The spinning of the earth. The spinning of the earth. Spinning of the earth around itself is called rotation. The spinning of the earth around itself is called rotation, and rotation complete in 24 hours. Rotation complete in 24 hours. Complete in 24 hours or in a one day. What is rotation? The spinning of the earth around itself is called rotation, and one rotation complete in 24 hours or in a one day. Second one is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun. Listen carefully. Movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Movement of the earth around the sun. But in rotation, movement of the earth around itself. In revolution, movement of the earth around the sun. That is difference. Revolution, movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. And one revolution complete in 365 days or in a 1 year. One revolution complete in 365 days or in a 1 year. We can see the sun in daytime and we can see the moon in night time. The world time zone map shows that it is a daytime on some continent while it is nighttime on some another continent. How does it happen, children? Okay, let's look at the position of the earth. Look at position of the earth with reference to the sun. With reference to the sun. The sun is in a fixed position. Sun is in a fixed position. And as you know, the earth is constantly in motion or constantly rotating on its own axis. Axis, which is an imaginary lines, runs from axis is an imaginary line. Axis, this is axis, is an imaginary line runs from north pole to south pole. Runs from north pole to south pole through the center of the earth. And the rotation from west to east. Rotation from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And due to this rotation and positioning of the earth to the sun, it is so happens that only one part of the earth can face the sun at any given time. Hence, the part faces the sun is daytime while it is night on the other side of the earth which is away from the sun. Here you are seeing, you can see beta. One part is which is facing the sun is daytime, and another part which is not facing the sun is night time. So this is happen due to the rotation of the earth, and thus rotation of the earth changes day into night and night into day. However, that part of the earth which has night time illuminated by the light of the moon. Just as sunlight strikes at the surface of the earth, it does that moon as well. The moon reflects this light onto the earth during night time. Moon does not make its own light. It takes light from the sun and reflects this light on earth during the night. So this was all about day and night concept. So children, have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day.